going on, YouTube? We're back on the trails today. We decided to go out to waiparous today to get a little bit more fast action riding in, so we didn't have enough fun on the last video breaking some stuff. So Jeff is out in his RZR XP900. I've got the KRX out, and we're gonna go out and run some trails. We're gonna try to go from waiparous over to the Fallen Timber Ploughs and run some good trails. Super smoky out. It does look a lot like it's gonna rain. Like the weather is not great, but that's okay. We'll any day out in the bush is a good day. So we're gonna see what kind of ground we can cover. We did get new rims put onto the KRX to fix the. It actually turns out we broke two. The rear one also had a pretty major dent in it, so we had to get rid of both those rims. But I'll do another video on that. Just a quick review on the new rims as well as the old ones and how we broke them in another video. So I won't spend too much time on that, but we're gonna get out there. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We appreciate the support. Let's get out there, let's have some fun, and we are seeing you guys out on the trail. This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders, those are tight. That is really tight. I'm all about supporting the locals that are out here making these trails better, but these narrow bridges, I mean, I am 68 inches stock, I think, and I barely fit those. And guys, you know what? It's 2023. Half the people out here drive side-by-sides now. Like, you need to make it accommodating to the side-by-sides, or guess what? People are gonna go around and go through the rivers. Like, if your machine doesn't fit, you go in a Maverick X3, especially an X3 XMR or something like that, they're 74 inches or 72 inches from factory. People aren't gonna use the bridges, they're just gonna go around. Throw some bigger bridges in. Oh yeah. Little off-camber action. Are you inside? Yeah, jump inside, bro. Just go nice and slow. Stuck in a rut. No power steering, doesn't help. You're in drive, right?
What?
You're in drive, like you can help it. Huh? Oh. There. Okay. Roadblock. Can't keep going, unfortunately. Didn't bring the saw. Should have brought a saw, didn't bring a saw. So, darn. Just up there is where the trail starts to get real fun. So, note to self, next time we need a chainsaw. And now we get to back down all of this. That sucks, eh? That's not great. Oh, good. I'm not gonna make a joke about waiting for the Polaris. I'm not gonna do it. I will not talk shit about the Polaris and how it's always behind. She's sketchy.
Shut up.
He doesn't like it.
Are you serious?
Well, you can go around. I drove across it. I don't know. Does this count as a bypass? Sort of, kind of. I mean, yeah, this bridge sucks. It's not great. Beautiful.
Such a good area. Gorgeous out.
Yeah, we got a nice day today. All right, you guys, so this was the first spot on our stop, Margaret Lake. Look at that view. Like, doesn't get any better than that. Like, nice cloudy overcast day, doesn't matter, still beautiful. If anyone actually comes out here camping, this is a really nice spot to camp. Yeah, don't be like these people and burn pallets. See all the nails sticking out there? As soon as they burn that and someone drives over it, you lose a tire out here. And now you're 20 kilometers in the bush without a tire, so that's no fun. But yeah, super pretty out, super nice day. Well, overcast day, but that's a view.